Welcome to this fourth meditation in the series of healing chakras. And today we are going to dive into healing the heart chakra. Heart chakra is all about love, acceptance, joy, and balance. So sit comfortably, close your eyes, take a few deep breaths. Take 3 deep breaths. With each breath, breathe in with the count of 4. Hold your breath for the count of 4 and release your breath with the count of 4. And this slow, deep breath is to anchor you into the present moment. Now feel this wave of relaxation that is starting from top of your head, like a cloud that's covering your head, and you're feeling totally relaxed. And this cloud trickles down and covers your chest, your abdomen, your body, all the way to your feet, taking you into this deep, relaxed state. Feel the relaxation bathing you from top of your head all the way to your feet. And now take your focus to your heart center, which is radiating this bright green light. See this ball of energy, which is your heart chakra. Green color, radiating light. Your heart chakra is a lotus flower with 12 petals in it, green in color. And as you look at this beautiful heart chakra, see how your heart chakra feels. Is it feeling radiant with love, joy? Or this flower feels wilted? And now we are going to heal the heart chakra, which could be blocked with relationship traumas, heartbreaks, so you're going to look at your heart chakra, radiating this inner smile and gratitude. Feel the spin of this chakra radiating and the vibrational frequency. And as this heart chakra starts spinning in full speed, it is detoxifying all the traumas, belief systems, blockages, on your self-love. And now you invite this golden light from top of your head, which is the light of the universal consciousness, which is trickling down from your head to heal your heart. And as this light is merging and healing your heart chakra, feel this deep sense of love. Let this healing energy of heart magnify where you're opening up your heart chakra for this non-judgmental, unconditional love and acceptance of self. Experience this frequency of agape love radiating and healing your heart chakra, which is transmuting all the fears, insecurities, traumas into this sense of feeling whole and complete. See your heart chakra getting healed, transformed, and this energy of love expanding you throughout your body, through each and every cell. And this is the energy of self-love. Unconditional love and acceptance of self. See yourself with a big smile, feeling this total compassion, love, and acceptance for yourself. And this love energy is expanding throughout your body. And now you're expanding this energy of love and acceptance to your relationships, bringing forward any relationship that has got conflict, stress. This healing energy from your heart chakra is transmuting all the blockages of past from these relationships and transmuting all your relationships into love energy. This deep sense of love and acceptance. To further heal your heart, we are going to bring in this sound frequency to heal the heart chakra. So you can repeat it mentally or just listen to it, anchoring your focus to your heart chakra and mentally chanting Vam, 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 And you see your heart chakra blossoming and spinning and radiating this energy of love, where all the past blockages, hurts, relationship issues, traumas, blockages on self-love, everything has healed and transformed and transmuted into this pure energy of unconditional love and acceptance of yourself, and extending this love and acceptance and agape love to all your relationships. And you're going to affirm, I love and accept myself unconditionally. My life is full of love and support. I am worthy of loving relationships. I'm worthy of receiving love. And I open my heart to give love. See this heart center radiating peace, harmony, love, acceptance, and connection. And as you take few more deep breaths, you see this portal of heart chakra expanding like an ocean. And this is ocean of love. Endless love that's radiating through you to each and every cell, and radiating through you externally to each and every person, to your environment. You have become portal of love and acceptance. And this accelerates the energy of joy, which is the frequency of heart chakra. Feel this joy radiating in each and every cell. See this energy of love and acceptance radiating from your heart in your relationships, within your family. And this love energy expanding and healing your relationships, your house energy, where your home is filled with this love energy. And now it's expanding further to your neighborhood, to your plants, trees, people, to all of your community that's bathing with this radiation of love energy which your heart is emitting. So see your heart chakra glowing like sunlight, and this beautiful green energy and light that's radiating from your heart is filling up all your environment with this sense of peace, harmony, love, and acceptance, radiating into your community, into your city, and expanding it further to your country and radiating this heart energy to planet Earth. And with each deep breath in and out, you have become portal of this unconditional love, acceptance, and connection. And you're radiating this energy of peace, harmony, love, and acceptance through your heart chakra, through the torsion fields of your heart, expanding it and radiating it to whole of the earth, planet Earth. And take a few more deep breaths to ground yourself and to embody this energy of love, peace, harmony in all aspects of your life. And now, feeling totally grateful for this expanded heart energy, love and bliss. You're slowly going to move your fingers, touch your face, and open your eyes. And let this love energy expand through you in your day, in your life, in all your relationships, where you have become portal of love, peace, and harmony. Have a blissful day. Thank you.